Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! Ayan! I'm back again kasi kachembolar. But for today's video, ang gagawin natin is mag-unbox tayo ng bagong camera. Yes! To the highest level na. Bumili ako kasi sale because it's Black Friday. So, malaki yung naging discount. And before I start my vlog, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aking mga video na hindi naman kasipagan ako mag-upload. So, we will unbox my new Canon EOS M200. Let's check it out. Okay, let's just pretend na hindi pa natin nabuksan yung bag. Chinek ko lang, pero I didn't open it yet. Ayan. Kung napapansin nyo, this is not my room. Nasa upstate kami. Somewhere. So, let's just open. So, I bought this few days ago in B&H kasi may discount and also may free silang may kasamang pangmalakasan. They have a, what is this? Like a pouch for the camera. There you go. So your camera is safe. It's pretty cool. And aside from that, asan na yun? Meron din silang free SanDisk, ilang GB? 64 gigabytes memory card. Ayan, para makapagsimula na kayo ng pag-video. And the moment of truth. Buksan na natin ang Canon camera. Okay. So usually hindi ko naman binabasa to. Binabasa ko lang to pagkakailangan at meron akong hindi maintindihan. So, what we have here first is, syempre, the main course. Yes! The camera! So, I have chosen the white color kasi mahilig ako sa white. Ayan. And then you can remove this one. So you can put the lens. Ayan, diba? And you can flip this up. Ayan. So, pag nag-vlog kayo, pwedeng gumamit kayo ng any tripod na ginagamit nyo sa phone. And then you can just put it here. And then you can see yourself here. While taking a video or picture whatsoever. Diba? It's so cool. Or you can fold it. How cool is that? And then, of course, the lens is here. Mabilis na lang itong video to. Just go. Ayan. There's a Canon zoom lens 15 to 45 mm. I don't know anything about this when it comes to numbers. And there's, of course, charger. Yun natin sa plastic. And what else? Battery. And a strap. If you're traveling, you can just put it on the side, which is cool. Both sides. So nakasabit sa leeg. Diba? So nice. So we're gonna try it out in a few. Okay. So I'm going to try this camera later on because I'm going to unbox another collection of mine. But I'm gonna show it to you guys. So you can set time, the date, and the zone, whatever that is. Pagka-cancel ko na yan, mamaya na yan. And then push and hold the lens. Ayan. So pagka nagka-camera kayo or vlog, you can just like do this. Ganon. Anyway. Ayan. So, masisimulan ng pagbablogag. Anyway, mamaya ako nasusubukan yan sa isang unboxing. Thank you again for watching mga kachambular. At sa susunod na namang video, mabilisan lang to, di ba? Thank you for watching. At dyan na nga po nagtatapos ang mabilisang vlogag ni Chambular sa pag-unbox ng kanyang pangmalakas ang camera para malinawan na. At saka sale naman kaya napabili ako. At saka it's good for vlogging kasi makikita mo yung sarili mo din dito. Diba? Para you're not using your phone. And by the way, you can transfer all the files like photos, videos from this camera to your phone so you can edit or you can transfer to your laptop. Ayan. Kasi Wi-Fi enabled at saka Bluetooth enabled din to. So, it's pretty cool. Anyway, dyan na nga nagtatapos ang ating pagkuda dito sa aking vlogag. I'll see you next time and thank you for watching and stay safe. Bye! Bye na!